What up, world? Welcome to my channel, Life of Prime. And today we are doing a Lego City build. This is the airplane versus the hospital bed go-kart build. I mostly got this because of the minifigs. I thought they looked pretty cool. And that's really about it. So let's get to it. Alright, so building's all done. And this is the review of the Lego City airplane versus hospital bed. It's a 70-piece build. Pretty cool. Here's the hospital bed. Easy build. Pretty fun. I like the detail. It's got the IV drip, a heart monitor at the front, cast on his hand, head wrap. Pretty cool. And the minifig, which is the main reason I got these, was for these minifigs. The detail on his outfit, the wrinkles on his hospital gown, and the zipper in the back. I thought that was cool. So that's the hospital bed go-kart. And here's the plain go-kart. And yep, wheels move, propeller spins. I give this a 4 star. I like this set. Detail on this one's really good too. He's got his compass. Yep. Gotta say, this is a good one for one of the lower price builds. I think this was around 10 bucks. And this is a newer set. Came out, I think, first week of January this year, 2025. So, thumbs up to this one. See you next time.